Hi, in this video I will show you how to encrypt a word, email or password. Whenever you want to send something over the web, then it should be encrypted. So for this code, what I want to show you, it is in React. I'm using CryptoJS.AES.encrypt, and I'm encrypting words, the email and the password in this. So this happens when I'm starting this one. Green again. For example, if my email, if I want to encrypt it, then for example here I will see that's the email is encrypted, the E is encrypted to something else. So then if I would say some XXX and maybe a password, an add-on, gmail.com, and when I encrypt it, then I will get here the first one was a E, and then now this one is the other one. So that's the encryption. Email, Gmail goes to this new word, and this is email. The E, the first one, goes to something else. Let's say ABC. Now you see always that's my logging of my that it's sure that it's encrypted. So how does it work? In the background, you will see the code. This is React, and inside my React I did the following. I imported crypto for first. So to show this one, I said here install. You see it here on the bottom. Install npm install CryptoJS and then save. So it's also defined then in the package. And then we start again. And I'll show you the code. Now I'm clearing everything. The crypto goes like this. You say here import star as CryptoJS from CryptoJS, and then you say when you push the button, in this case on click, encrypt that word, go to the function to encryption. Inside the encryption I say this is my constant function. So this is my function which encrypts that stuff in React. At runtime, create an arrow function or create a function. That's how functions are written in this case. There is the parameters, but I don't use it for the example. And then we say give me the word which might be encrypted is my, in this case, my email. Yeah, so this is my, where is it again? Here, and register. That's email, for example. In this case, that's my input form. It writes that stuff on change to set email, so it's email. And then you have a secret. Keep that secret outside. Maybe you may take the session from the server or from an outside file. It's just a plain encryption, and you may decrypt it here on the server with the same key. Then you say key is CryptoJS encrypt UTF parse secret. So this is the key. So you have the conversion key. You can't take the secret itself. It's the key is always built by this by that stuff. And then you say then you get the bytes, a byte array, encrypt by AES. So this is the modern standard, and then encrypt the word by that key, and then some parameters on there. Let's see the entire stuff. Padding, CryptoJS pad PKCS7, and then say convert this byte array into a string again, so that it's handleable for in the header. So maybe I also can take the bytes, but it's always better to take the strings. Then encrypt it as strings, or say convert it to strings, and then I'm logging it. So I set my log file here, and then I say whenever it changed, the effect will be written in here. So that's what happens in here. If I'm sending something, if I clear all that stuff, and then when I say ABC register, then you see here that's the encoded stuff. So, and after this, I may send my by a HTTP post request to the server, and the server decrypts that stuff. You find that code. You may find that stuff here in my in this link medium.com from Ardash. So there's the AES encryption in JavaScript. That's JavaScript, and on the, now we take the other one. We take this one, int Coco. There is one description here. This is the React stuff. Find the same key in here. That's the encryption. And for decryption, you may use here the C# function. So that's encryption, and there's also somewhere the description here, the decryption. That's the same stuff, and this both works on the AES encryption type.